How to reset control center option not showing in iOS 18. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option general. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you're going to find the option shutdown. Click on it. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it on. With this, your problem might be fixed. You might get the option of reset control center. Next thing you want to do is scroll up and navigate to the option software update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update your software to its latest version. Then you can head back. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Language and Reason. Now select the option Reason. From this list, select the region you are currently in. Once you have set it, you can head back to the main page of settings. Now navigate to the option Control Center. You will get the option of Reset Control Center. Clicking on it, you can easily reset your whole control center. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily fix reset control center option not showing in iOS 18. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.